This is Shenzhen Kaifa Technology Company Limited, the core enterprise of China Electronics Corporation. Our business has been commenced in Shenzhen of China since 1985. For 30 years, we have grown and kept stride with the rapid development of the electronics and IT industry, and increasingly become a significant player of development and manufacturing of modern high-end electronics products in China. As a world-leading EMS and ODM enterprise, Kaifa has been steadfastly devoted to providing first-class R&D services and electronics products manufacturing for computer storage, consumer electronics, communication products, medical devices, energy-saving products, financial electronics, and other industries and high-tech enterprises. It constantly creates value for customers with its international and highly talented professionals, as well as the rapid responsive manufacturing system and R&D platform. Today, we have branches in more than a dozen countries and regions in the world. Including overseas factories with high-precision SMT lines, clean rooms, and customer service outlets. Thanks to our technological expertise, reserves of resources, and the end-to-end vertically consolidated manufacturing capabilities, Kaifa is capable of not only meeting but surpassing our customers' expectations. As an advocate and practitioner of operational excellence, Kaifa is committed to its core business model, integrating cost control, value creation, and enhancement of customer satisfaction. Kaifa offers various models and flexible service to provide leading products and services to ODM and EMS customers in constant pursuit of perfection. As a listed company in China, Kaifa is always in step with technological and market trends and has been centrally focused on expanding its offering of high-end electronic products and R&D services. Its products diversify from traditional 3C electronics to medical devices, LED, touch panel parts, industrial automation, and other emerging industries. Furthermore, Kaifa has developed its own series of intellectual property products, including metering system, financial electronics, and automation equipment as its core. With our international management team, total quality control system, unique engineering capabilities, advanced production management system, effective cost control, efficient logistics service, and excellent market performance, Kaifa is not only one of the top 500 companies in China, it is also a top 10 global electronics manufacturer. Kaifa is striving to be a leading global EMS ODM provider. Kaifa, your reliable EMS global partner.